Let's start by creating the roof and house body using shapes. Here, we adjust the base shape of the house. Here, let merge two shapes together with union operation. Now, I'm creating another rectangle to use as a door. Here, I'm subtracting the door from the base layer. Here, I'm trying to adjust the radius of the shape layer. Again, I'm creating another door for the top layer. Here is the part where create the Glassmorphism effect. Select both base layer and top layer and duplicate out. Select all layers and click mask to create the glass layer. We apply layer blur and effect and choose the right number of the blur and change color. Here in base layer, let's apply gradient that fit the glass layer. In this step, let's put the glass layer on top of the door shape. Let's change the door color to match the glass layer as well. In this case, we'll use a white-blue color for a better glass-like feel. Continuing with the door layer, we'll apply a drop shadow to make it stand out. I use light color to match the glass-like effect. Let me touch up the gradient of the house icon. In the last step, select the whole icon and add a drop shadow to make it stand out more. For the shadow, I'll pick a light color that looks like a beam effect. Here we go. Try it out on your own. Thanks for watching.